Guys, I'm going to be showing you my favorite recipe that I learned today. I got my recipes over there. So I'm going to be showing you guys a recipe that I like. And I'm going to get my strawberries out. I just got my strawberries out. I'm going to show you guys a recipe that I want to do today. Today I'm going to be making pink drink. And I got ice, strawberries, white cranberry strawberry juice cocktail, and coconut milk. So this is how you make pink drink. Take the ice. And you put the ice in the cup. And take the strawberries. I'm just gonna cut one strawberry up. Put the strawberries in there. I'm gonna take this cocktail drink. Take this cocktail drink and pour it into my cup. And take the milk, coconut milk, and pour it into my cup. And stir the milk. Stir the cocktail and the milk together. And here you go, pink drink. This is a really good drink to have, you guys, in the summertime. I got this at Starbucks and I love this drink. So I decided to make it at home. And I really like this drink, the pink drink, because it's really, really good for the summertime. And it's really good to make it at home as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And this will give you a recipe to how to make pink drink at home. You guys take care.